What's going on YouTube? It is Sam's Diecast Showroom here, bringing you guys another video. Today we're going to be doing a Hot Wheels unboxing. This is a brand new model for 2023, the Group C Fantasy. This is from a new series. We have a new series for 2023, HW Track Champs, and Group C Fantasy. Looks like it has a blue metal bottom and interesting fantasy car here. Not sure what it's based off of, but 3 of 5 in the Track Champ series. Best for track, new for 2023 model, and number 89 of 250 for 2023. Nice, guaranteed for life, that's a new thing. From C-Case. And the Group C Fantasy was born in El Segundo, California, 2022, and Hot Wheels designed it. Experience circuit racing at its fastest. With a ferocious, mid-mounted V8 engine and push-rod suspension, this single-seat racer will always finish first. HW Track Champs, bring your racing spirit to life on track with these speed chasers. Pretty cool. 2021 copyright. This is a 2023 Hot Wheels, brand new model in, I think it's going to come out in yellow as well. We have the white one here. Nice clean open there. Let's check it out. So actually, this has some weight to it. This is actually heavy. Pretty heavy casting. So we have AeroDisc wheels on this one. In the front, they're white. In the back, they have a chrome rim. Otherwise, they're black. Wow, look at the base. That is a metal base in blue. Really thick metal. It's actually really heavy. And Sonny Spec. I think Sonny Fisher is the designer that designed this car. Number 34 with the blue and green designs, kind of like space kind of design. Push rod suspension. Has plastic white rivets. And there's the cockpit there. Pretty cool. Number 34 on the side. Interesting new model. Here's a nice look at it. Front end. Other side there. And the rear end. Interesting new model for 2023. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.